So, 50 cents. And I bought it here. Come on, focus. Paid only 50 cents. And what is this? It's a tool for the backside. And the good thing is, I've got a hole so I can lock it on. Nobody steals it. So, another micro project. I have this wrench here, stamped metal. I bought it and I like it, but I'm not happy with the leverage. So I will weld a piece of round pipe tube to it so we can use it to extend the torque. So the surface is prepared now. I roughed it up so I can sew a weld to it, and I've also cleaned the little pipe piece. This is rather thick wall pipe, so this should give it a lot of torque without bending the pipe. And I have also cleaned it up here a bit. I will put a bit of reinforcement solder on the side here to strengthen the whole thing. Okay, this is how it looks like. We will weld this together. Obviously we have to touch the ground. Bit of extra work. I reinforced those tips with a bit of weld, and now let's go. Finished. So I will put it on here, and we see we don't have enough torque to move it. This way is perfect. Got far more leverage here. And this is solid. Here the welds are quite okay, but here I burn it a bit, but that's fine. Here it started not good, but this is solid. Oh, still turns hard.